Hi, in this video, I will show you how to resolve white screen of death or this critical error on this website. So let's get started. And when you will face this error, you will receive the email like this. For click on this links to go to recovery mode. So we will see how to resolve this through cPanel. So let's go to File Manager and go to public.html. We will go to WP content, plugins, or themes to find out who is the culprit. So let's go to WP content and then plugins and this, let's change its name one by one. So we will check our website if the website is live or not. So let's rename this plugin. So let's refresh our page. Still our error is present. So let's change another name and refresh our website. So still the error is present. So let's disable this and refresh our page. Still the error is present. And let's click on this Elementor and click one and let's refresh the page to see if the error is resolved or not. So our error is I think resolved. So the culprit is Elementor. Maybe the plugin is outdated, so we need to update it. So let's go to dashboard and login. So our dashboard is logged in. Let's go to plugins and the plugin is updated almost, but it's not working. Maybe the Elementor Pro is a culprit because Elementor Pro version is very old. So let's deactivate it and let's delete those plugins. I think it's not deleting from here. Let's refresh it. So let's delete it here. This one also. So let's refresh our page. So plugins are deleted and let's install the new one. Right here, Elementor, install. Let's upload Elementor Pro. I'm using the GPL right now, so I will use the original Elementor Pro later. Let's wait and the plugin is installing and it's loading. So go to plugin installer. So activate it. These two plugin duplicated. So let's delete those two and this one also. And let's see how our website is looking. So our website is working fine. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any question or suggestion, you can drop them in comments. So thank you for watching.